Hey guys, if your audio is not working when playing Minecraft, then watch until the end, as in this video I'm going to share with you all the steps you can take to fix this. Now, the first and most obvious step is to make sure your audio is turned up in the game. So to do that, simply come into Minecraft and you want to press the escape key to bring up the settings menu. Then we can come into options and music and sounds, and then you want to make sure all of the sliders here are set to 100%. And once you've done that, we can press done to save our changes. Once you're in a game, you can also try pressing the F3 key plus the letter S on your keyboard to refresh the game, as these keys will tell the game to read out textures, models, sound, and other resource pack content. A lot of users have reported this one working for them, so I would not recommend skipping this one. Once we've done all that, we can restart the game and check to see if the problem's fixed. Now, the next step is we need to check our computer sound settings to ensure we have the volume enabled and turned up. So to do this, head to the taskbar in the right here, and we want to right click on this little volume icon and select volume mixer. Now, firstly, you want to make sure the volume is set to 100, and then we want to come down to output device, and you want to select your chosen output device. So for me, that would be my speakers, and this is where you want the volume to come out from. You could also set an input device if you do have something like a microphone, otherwise you can just leave this to default. You then want to scroll down into the app section, and you also want to ensure that Minecraft is set to 100% down here. And we can come into this little drop down menu, and we want to select the output device again to our laptop speakers. And we can change the input device to our microphone if we have one. Once we've done that, we can check to see if our audio is working, but if you still are experiencing problems, the next thing we need to do is to make sure our audio drivers are fully up to date. Luckily, there is a free tool we can use to do this that makes the entire process super quick and easy. Just head over to an internet browser and we want to come to a website called drivereasy.com. Once we're on this website, scroll all the way down to the page into the download section and just hit the big download button. Once we've installed and downloaded Driver Easy, we just need to launch the app. And then we can press this big green scan now button. And what this is going to do is just going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers. Once the scan's complete, we just need to come into these drivers one by one. We're specifically looking for audio drivers, and you just come into the update button here. We can then follow the steps to update the driver. You can also press this big update all button at the bottom here, but this is part of the page tool. So I'd recommend just sticking to the free one and coming into them and doing them one by one. Now, as well as updating your audio drivers, another proven solution is to open up your start menu and searching for the word run. And we want to hit this run icon here, and in the run box, we want to search for %, app data, %, and then hit enter. And you want to come into the Minecraft folder. Now, if we scroll down here, we want to come into the versions folder, and you just want to delete everything in here by selecting all and right clicking and hitting the trash icon. Now, if you've tried all of these methods to solve the Minecraft no sound issue and it's still not working, the last thing you can do is try performing a clean installation of the game. To do this, open up the start menu and we want to search for control panel. And then we just hit the control panel icon, and we want to come into where it says uninstalled a program, and then just scroll down this list until you find the Minecraft app, and then we just want to click uninstall to remove it from our computer. Once we successfully uninstalled the app, you can reinstall it again just by heading to minecraft.net/download, and you can download it by clicking the launcher button here. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and the audio is still not working, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.